Welcome Amazon sellers to this new video. In today's video, we're going to discuss about a new feature which is called Amazon Account Health Assurance. Although this feature is not new for the USA or the Canada market, but for the rest of the marketplaces, this feature is quite new because this has been expanded recently to many other marketplaces. Now, the history and the background of this particular feature which Amazon has activated to some accounts is that a lot of times seller used to complain that Amazon suddenly deactivates the account. It does not give us the warning. It does not give us the time to contest the case, and our business goes for a toss. And so many things attached to it gets affected. So it's important for sellers to understand what Amazon is saying, and they also need some time to counter that particular claim and to get back the account rather than getting it suspended and fighting it for months together to get it back. So this feature on a pilot basis introduced in the month of November 22, November 2022 in the USA and the Canada market, and later on it's got expanded to many other marketplaces. So today we are going to discuss about this feature. In case you're already there, all the best. Congratulations that you are safeguarded from any kind of immediate suspensions to your account. All you need to do would be, in case you are a participant to this Amazon account health assurance program, that you need to work with Amazon, you need to speak with them, you need to provide them everything they're asking for it, and get your account back. In case you are unable to provide so, then the whatever policy framework is defined by the Amazon will follow. So let's discuss what is account health assurance program offered by Amazon to few chosen sellers. And in case you can see the same metrics on your dashboard, welcome, you are a member of this club, and rest assured your account is not going to get deactivated at an instance. Okay, so let me just start sharing my screen with you to make you understand how the things look like. So the first this blog post you can see on the amazon.com website, wherein in the month of November 2022 they announced that we are giving a free benefit to all the sellers, and the benefit is called account health assurance program, which is all about not to deactivate the seller account as long as they work with us to resolve any issues. So this got started as a pilot project. Later on, this got expanded to many other marketplaces. Let me just check if I can show you the list of those marketplaces. And if we can, yeah. So Amazon account health assurance program, currently today I'm shooting this video in July month 2024. This program is eligible for all the sellers in Mexico region, Brazil, Japan, Singapore, Australia, India, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, US and Canada marketplaces. And of course, Amazon intends to take it to all the remaining marketplaces as well. So let's understand what is AHA, what is the criteria, how the sellers are getting selected, and how you can check on your dashboard that you are a member of AHA or not. So I'll just open one of my client's account right now in front of you. He was a part of AHA, but suddenly a lot of violations appeared in his account, and he really did not cooperate with Amazon, and the AHR score got declined, and right now he is out of the program. So how it looks like, let me just open it with you. When you open your account health dashboard, you will see a rating, this kind of a rating called account health rating, and this varies from 0 to 1000. Anything above 250 is healthy, green, and give you a chance to become a part of your the Amazon Health Assurance program. So right now you can see in this particular account, it is the rating is 60. The account is unhealthy. Less than 100 accounts are liable to be terminated on a ASAP basis. So right now it is with me. We are working on this case. We are making our POA. So in case you are facing a suspension on Amazon front, definitely connect with me, message me on Facebook so we can get together, understand the case, and try to work it together and get your account back. So that's a separate thing. But coming back to this video, Amazon Health Assurance, because this is something which sellers were asking for it. Sellers were demanding this kind of thing that immediate deactivation should be discouraged. So let's understand this particular program. So Amazon Health Assurance Program has got certain qualifying criteria. Let's understand that criteria, and you will also get to know that when you will be eligible to become a member of this particular free benefit offered by the Amazon team. So the criteria are: you need to provide a valid emergency contact number. All you need to do is go to your seller center, open the settings. There is an option called emergency contact number. Just fill up that. So you have an option here also, verify your update emergency contact number, because Amazon wants to connect with you. They want a number which is working 24 hours. A lot of time you as a company provide your landline number or your manager's number or your board number, something like that, wherein Amazon may not be able to connect with you at odd hours, like after 6 or something like that. But Amazon wants to connect to you on an immediate basis. They don't want to wait for Saturday or Sunday. They want to connect with you. They want to inform you there is a problem. Please connect with us. 72 hours. We are giving it to you. Work with us so that you can get your account back, and we are going to suspend you for that particular period. Then the second thing, of course, you need to maintain a AHR of 250 plus for 6 months. The other criteria to get this free benefit is you need to manage this particular score, the scorecard, 250 and above for consecutively 6 months, and no more than 10 days below 250. Any, of course, there could be odd days also where the rating has declined due to VTR or due to any other issue, but not more than 10 days. It should fall below 250, otherwise they are going to take back the facility. Okay, now some more criteria will follow, like here how you can qualify for AHA. See, the AHA is simple. 250 and above is something what is required, as shared with you. And there is one more option wherein you need to get into the order kind of a thing. Yeah, it's here. The minimum order value volume need to reach HR is 2600 orders in a 6 months period, right? So if you cannot see a numeric HR score, you are not eligible for account health assurance. So everything is given on the Seller Central portfolio. You can just go to the program policies page and check the account health assurance FAQs, where you will see all these things. So the benefit of getting this free benefit from Amazon is that you will not be deactivated immediately. Amazon is going to share you the warning first. They're going to connect with you within 72 hours. They'll check back with you what all things you have, how many days you need to appeal, and so many things. They will basically understand, sit with you, understand everything what you have, and how early as possible you're going to make the appeal, how you should appeal, and everything, because they want you to retain on the network as per their commitment under this particular program. They have already given a filter. They've already said, okay, 250 and above for consecutively 6 months, 2600 orders, cumulative for 26 for 6 months. So these are the filters they've already put in place. So they know that you are a seller which is worth getting enrolled for this particular program, and you should not be suspended immediately. Hence, this particular program is going to benefit to all the sellers in the respective marketplaces what I shared with you. So this is all about AHA program. Just open your account health dashboard today. Just see, are you able to see the numeric value? In case you're able to see the numeric value, congratulations, you are there somewhere. All you need to do is now maintain the score of 250 and above. That's a healthy thing. Just maintain that score and enjoy this free benefit. Anything which is less than 100 will show in red as unhealthy, liable to be terminated. Anything between 100 to 250 would be an at risk kind of a yellow category, and 250 and above will shown as green, called healthy. So this is how Amazon describes this particular feature in its Amazon seller dashboard. So I hope you like this video, you got some knowledge about this particular program. In case you have any doubts related to this program, just message me below this video. And in case you're looking to resolve your suspension issue, in case you're looking for some professional help in drafting and writing a POA, you can just connect with me. You'll get my Facebook Messenger link in this video description. You can just reach out to me, and so that I can study your case, study your problem, and suggest you the best alternative, best way to proceed, write a draft for you. That's a professional service I offer. And in case you want to learn about how the POs are made, different violations, how the POs are getting generated and everything, I have a complete series on plan of action. What should you write? How you approach Amazon for a POA? What should be the constituents of the POA, and so many other things. Just watch this playlist on this channel. So I hope this video is useful to you. In case you find it useful, just give a thumbs up button. Subscribe to this channel for more e-commerce learning. Of course, I teach about affiliate marketing also on this channel. So e-commerce affiliate marketing goes hand in hand. Learn both the things, grow your business, and boom. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.